Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and this is the look which actually I inspired from Malvika Sitlani, and I used a new nude palette from Huda Beauty. I hope you guys will like this look, so let's get started. For transition, I'm using the shade Lace, and I'm gonna put it on my creases. Next, I'm gonna take the shade Tickle, and again I'm gonna put it on my crease. And here I have to be very slow. Now I'm using the shade Draw on my crease again. I'm using the shade Draw, which is a brown color, and I'm using again on my creases to give it depth. Now I'm putting the shade Daydream on my lid. For my inner corners, I'm using the shade Crave. For my lower lash line, I'm going to use the shade Lace and Raw. This is the shade Raw that I'm using with the flat brush that I have. I'm putting this white kajal from Wet n Wild on my waterline. I've already curled my lashes and I'm using this Color Bar mascara. This is a really nice mascara. I really do not need any kind of eyelashes. For my lower lashes, I'm using the narrower wand with this mascara. As I wanted a glam look, I had to put these lashes, and these lashes are from Shein. And I love them, they're so good. I hope you guys liked it, and do not forget to give a big thumbs up at the end. Also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the future notifications. Till then, see you next time.